What's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Oculus Quest. I've been wanting to get my hands on this for a very long time, but because of everything going on in the world right now, this product was kind of unavailable basically everywhere for a while. In case you don't know the awesome part about this virtual reality headset, this is true untethered virtual reality. That means unlike the PlayStation VR, which I showed previously on the channel, the virtual reality experience is self-contained within the headset. This is awesome because Sony's attempt at a virtual reality experience, their first try anyway, had you setting up a bunch of wires and the camera, and it was just a big mess. This implementation is a lot better, but of course, it all depends on how much you're able to spend, because this still clocks in at around $400. So it's kind of expensive compared to the PlayStation VR, but this thing is ready to go right out of the box. And that's the awesome part about this headset. At the time when I got this, we were just coming off of a huge shortage of pretty much everything. So in some places you can find it in stock, but it might also be hard to find it. There's a website that will be down below in the description that will let you track the status of whether or not a store has the Quest in stock. And right now, that'll make it easier to get for the original $400 price tag. You can see it also lists what's inside the box: a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, AA batteries, a power adapter, eyeglass spacer, and a charging cable. I'm just so excited because I've been wanting this for a while, and this versus the PlayStation VR, obviously there's a big difference in user experience and overall convenience. So now, of course, taking the plastic off, we can get a better look at the box and the inside of the box itself. I really can't stress this enough, because the Quest is an all-in-one VR experience inside the headset itself. There's no wires you have to worry about, none of that stuff, and that's why I'm saying it's so much more convenient if you want to pack this up and go somewhere. I mean, right now, maybe you're not going to, but in the future, if you want to travel somewhere with this, you could do that a lot easier than carrying around the PlayStation VR. Lifting up the box here, you can see the first thing that we are presented with is the virtual reality headset itself, along with the 2 touch controllers that come with it. I think this is pretty nice packaging, and this is so lightweight and it's just so convenient to have around. It's much easier, like I said, than the PlayStation VR in comparison. So let's just set that off to the side for a second, and here are the 2 touch controllers that come with the unit itself. And these are pretty good controllers. In comparison to the PlayStation Move, I think that these are pretty cool, and instead of running on a micro USB charge like the PlayStation Move controllers do, these controllers actually run on batteries, so instead of charging them up, you're going to be putting AA's in every time that they die. Included in the box as well is a power adapter and an eyeglass spacer, and the eyeglass spacer basically just makes it easier for people that wear glasses to actually use this, along with the power adapter to charge the headset itself. Included is a USB-C cable, and it's nice to see that this charges through USB-C. Just like Lightning, the connection is reversible, and it's sort of a connection standard now, so it's nice to see that that's included. Included here are just different guides of how to set the Oculus Quest up, and also different health and safety information, just standard stuff, as well as included AA batteries, which is also really awesome that they did that. First impressions are that this is a lot more convenient, and I can definitely see myself using these more for convenience sake, just because I don't want to have to set up the camera on the PlayStation VR every time and make sure that the wires don't come flying out because I went too far away from my console. So that's definitely an added benefit. So I've had the Oculus Quest for around a month now, and I've been using it pretty frequently. And I gotta say, the Oculus Quest is a lot more fun and a lot more convenient than the PlayStation VR is. This is super lightweight, and this is like the first generation of this lightweight, untethered VR experience that Oculus is doing. Because of that, it's really exciting to think about the future of virtual reality, because it can only get better from here. In order to make this work, you have to put batteries in the controllers and also press the power button to turn the device on. Looking at the PlayStation VR in comparison, obviously you have to hook this up to a PlayStation 4 console, and also there's a barrier to entry. You have to have a PlayStation camera connected so that way it can track the headset's movement. It's a mess because wires get all over the place. But with the Oculus Quest, there are no wires. Just turn the device on and set it up through the phone app on your iOS device or Android device, and then you're done. With the Oculus app, you can also cast whatever's on your Oculus's screen, and you could bring it over to your phone. So much like AirPlay mirroring works with an Apple TV, this will let you see what other people see on the headset when they have it on. If you want, you can also shop for games in the app as well. As I said, I love the convenience factor of the Oculus Quest, and with adjustable head straps, it's never gonna not fit. Looking around the device as well, you could see on the left we have our volume rocker, and obviously that just allows you to turn the volume up or down. And then on the right, we also have a depth slider. This will help for if you have different vision as, say, a friend that puts the headset on. You can adjust it that way instead of having to go deep into the settings like with the PlayStation VR. We also have two 3.5mm headphone jacks on either side, as well as the charging port, and then if we flip it over to the other side, you can see we have the power button. All in all, having the Oculus Quest is a great experience over the PlayStation VR. There's rumors that with the second generation of PlayStation VR, Sony will take a little bit of a different approach, and maybe it'll be sort of a little bit more wireless. That hasn't been announced yet, and there's also rumors flying around too that Apple is going to get in the game with their own augmented reality or virtual reality headset as well. The future of this technology is crazy, and I can't wait to see what's next. Anyway guys, that pretty much does it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to like this video. Also, go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on to never miss out on a brand new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I can get back to jailbreak content pretty soon. Have a good one, guys. Peace.